Just a quick update on the Plaid order. As of this morning, March 30th, Tesla still says estimated delivery in March. Obviously, there's only one day left in the month, and I haven't received delivery instructions or payment instructions, so there's no way that's going to happen. But I'm optimistic that I will see an update in the first week or two of April. Meantime, let's take a look at how the Raven did at the drag strip this past Thursday night. We're out at Bradenton Motorsports, March 25th, 2021. And it's a nice warm night. That's good news for the Tesla. It runs faster when it's this warm. It's about 90 degrees right now, but unfortunately there's a big headwind. I'm predicting about a 10.7 for the Tesla tonight. We got out here to Bradenton with 92%, and it is hot out here. I don't know if you can see that. It's 93 degrees, so it's a warm one. We didn't charge it quite as high tonight. I'm not expecting us to make too many runs. We'll probably still have 80% by the time we leave here. Well, what do you know? I can't get anyone to line up with me here. Solo pass. Well, may as well do a cheetah launch. All right, we're gonna get this cheetah launch fully staged up here. Here we go. Front end dropping, back end raising, and here we go. Whoa! $150, 260 foot. That's a good sign. All right, thank you. Well, 10.7, 150, 260 foot. I don't think Cheetah helped very much. Well, I still couldn't find a gas-powered car that wanted to go down the track with me, so next best thing. All right, we're down to 90%. We're gonna run in ludicrous mode again. It's gonna be at a little bit of a disadvantage because the car we're running has got more battery charge and it's running Ludicrous Plus. It's also a 2019. It's also on 19-inch rims. About the only difference I can see is the exterior color. So it'll be interesting to see, given it's basically just Ludicrous versus Ludicrous Plus. It's gonna be a quiet race. Who needs Ludicrous Plus when it's 96 degrees out? All right, this other Tesla's in Ludicrous Plus. I'm just in Ludicrous, so I'm gonna wanna cut a light here. All right, here we go. Him. Yeah. Very interested to see the two time slips side by side. Well, we got to the finish line first.
That was fun.
How was your time slip, Jim?
10.8. I still got 5 minutes of
oh, warm up. Yeah.
But it's the best I've done is 10.68. Usually I do 10.7.
Okay.
Yeah.
I run a lot of 10.7s in Ludicrous myself.
Yeah.
I've run a 10.49 in Ludicrous Plus on a warm day.
Really? I never did
with
that.
With Cheetah mode and with it fully staged up. The mighty Godzilla on Toyo Proxies. 285 was stock, and you got the 315 on the 888Rs. Yeah, you're lightweight here.
I took all that out. I have all I have is downpipes pretty much. I have no exhaust.
You're gonna give me a good run then. Yeah, all right, we're at 87%, and our next run is the mighty Godzilla, this Nissan GTR. He's got a lot more tire than the Tesla's got. We'll see where he's at power-wise here in a moment. That was a good run. I think I had a decent light there. Got a little out on him. I thought he might catch up, but he didn't quite have the power. I'm very interested to see these time slips.
Not good. Yeah, my 60 foot was actually the best 60 that I've ran.
All right.
But then it was in limp mode, and then I switched over to the manual. And
what do you think it did? A fuel issue or something?
No, just traction.
Oh, okay. And you more tire than I do.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have expected traction to be your biggest problem.
Oh yeah, once it starts getting cool out here, that's all I fight out here is traction problem.
Like where, at 60 or 100 feet? How far out were you?
Like right off the bat.
Oh, okay. Right
yeah, I think, I don't know what happened, but clearly when it went into second, it chirped the wheels and they spun and it died out.
Yeah. I'm going to try to get a pass with this Corvette, so I'm going to slot him in. All right, next run for the Tesla is going to be this white C8 Corvette. It is a 2021. Last time I raced it, owner, he had just gotten it like a week before. The owner says it's gotten a little faster, and I'm going to give him the move, so hopefully make for an interesting race here. All right, for our fourth run of the night, at 85%, we're going to be running the white C8 Corvette. He runs a low 11. I'm giving him the move, so I'm going to have to react quickly when I see his tires rolling. I still need a good reaction. I just need to react to his car moving instead of the light. That just means I don't have to worry about red lighting, but I can stage a little deeper when I'm on this. Whoa, he red lighted. I'm going for it. I can stage a little deeper when I'm on this. Whoa, he red lighted. I'm going for it. Gives you the move, you just red light, because you don't lose for red light and you lose if you don't cross the finish line first, like a street race that only happened for the first time about a week ago. Sorry, I didn't mean to cheat. I get it. It's the old you give me the move and then I red light when you're not expecting it trick. I know. Somebody did that to me last week actually. I think I've told you I've got over 800 time slips on this car, and I'm surprised that it never happened until just last Wednesday. And this guy's like, "You got to give me the move." He was like, "Really? I got to give him the move." Okay, fine. We get on the tree. The first yellow doesn't even fall, and he takes off.
No, I will have to say the stands go crazy when you two are up there, though. Compared
they're
to
more interested, aren't they?
They're like, "Oh, it's a Tesla."
I don't know which one's which. It'll have the negative on the negative.
That's probably the
99. That's interesting. Oh, we both left so early. Yeah, 499 must be the maximum here. At the other track, it's a 500 negative. But 10.8 to 11.8. Yeah, I passed him pretty good. 116 to 121. And a full second, 10.8 to 11.8. I'm surprised it was that much. It was not his best run. He ran an 11.3 on the previous run. This Corvette convertible's got a number of interesting modifications. Got a great big supercharger on the front of this Corvette. Got big Mickey Thompsons back here. 325s. All right, next run's going to be against that Z06 Corvette, and we're down to 83%.
Head on over there now, please. It's one of those cheap day specials before they close it up and shut it down for the evening. Final call on the refreshment center.
He had big power at the top end. Kind of expected that, but I was definitely out on him for a while there. Wow, that Z06 vet was really fast. He ran a 10.16 at 134. A 1.4160 foot's faster than the fastest one the Tesla's ever done, which is a 1.49. I had him a little bit on reaction. Even if I'd ran my fastest 10.4 pass with my reaction, I don't think it would have been enough, especially when I was only running a 10.81 here on my 5th pass of the night. Fun run though. He came around me big time. Big power on top. Looks like we have time for one more pass tonight. Turns out we're getting lined up with another Tesla again. So we raced that Model S Performance earlier. Now we've got a Model 3 Performance dual motor, and I've seen this guy make a couple passes. He's running mid-11s. So I'm gonna give him the move, and if I'm doing my job right, I will run him down before the end of the track. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna wait for him to move, and there he goes. Shoot. I got him. All right. I'm gonna wait for him to move, and there he goes. Shoot. I got him. Thank you. Good job. How's your pass? Another 11.5?
11.577. Red lighted.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I didn't notice. I was just watching your car. 10.78. Oh, another 10.7. I ran a 10.8 earlier. Can I take a photo of that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you kindly.
Very nice.
All right, that was a good night of racing. We're leaving the track with, well, 78%. Ambient temperature, 77 now. It dropped below 80, that's nice. It was well over 90 at one point. Good night of racing. I think we only lost to that Z06. Fun night.
My first run here earlier today was a 10.23.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that was my personal best. So.
Oh, wow. You know, I raced the GTR a couple weeks ago, and he said it was all stock, and then he laid a 10.1 down on me, and you know,
yeah, right, not. Okay. At a 10.1, he probably had, I'm assuming, some type of slicks, and then he had full bolt-ons.
Yeah,
and had, maybe some engine work.
These Nittos over the exhibits.
Yeah.
But he said, oh, well, just a tire, but.
Right. No, that thing was not stock.
That was a 10.1. Yeah.